Right after we had the direct hair implantation, alam mo yung parang pagkakita ko pa lang sa hairline ko, na-excite na talaga ako how it's gonna turn out. I'm Toni Aviles, and I'm a makeup artist, and I own AVI Beauty and Content Studio and Gorjusa Makeup Studio. Na-realize ko na parang ang taas na pala ng hairline ko. A lot of people doesn't know about it kasi syempre, I'm a makeup artist, I'm also a hairstylist, I keep on hiding it. Well, hair loss is inevitable when you age, you know, but I'm still young when I had it, like, unti-unti na siya nawawala. And nawawala yun din yung confidence ko, especially in the industry. Lagi kami nasa camera and nakakawala ng confidence pag nakita mo sa mga photos na nag-recede yung hairline mo or nakita yung mga balding spots. Having a first-hand discussion or consultation with Clinique de Paris, I find you at ease. With Clinique de Paris, I know that they will do exactly what I wanted to happen with my hair. So after my treatment, definitely it became life-changing for me. My life became so easy with it. Hindi siya ganun kasakit. It's very enjoyable for my scalp. Unti-unti nag-grow. Nagkakaroon ng mga baby hair. Yung bandang dito ko. It took me a while also bago ko siya na-expose yung my before and after. But when I felt the impact na my story is also helping other people's lives, nakakatawa na it's becoming normal na mapag-usapan ng hair loss because it's happening. It's in real life, you know.